Hey! So today we're going to talk about 10 ways to give compliments in Swedish. Hopefully these lists will help you if you go on a Tinder date or if you just want to know if a Swede tells you that you're hot or just cute. Number 1, vacker. Vacker means beautiful, and this word can be used both for items or for people. But if you want to say it to a person, then you can say du är vacker. Du är vacker. Number 2, fin. Fin means pretty, but it can also mean nice or kind. Depends a little bit on the situation. But if someone just say du är fin, then I would translate it to you're pretty. If you do something nice to someone, maybe you give someone a cup of tea or something, then if they say, oh, du är så fin, then it maybe it's more like, oh, you're so nice, or you're so kind. But in general, fin, pretty. Number 3, snygg. Snygg means in Swedish handsome or good looking or even hot. And this is really used a lot, but if you want to give a compliment maybe to your Tinder date, du är snygg, you're good looking. But be careful, don't use it with babies. It's a little bit inappropriate since it has a little bit of a sexual undertone. So snygg, think more like hot or good looking. Number 4, het. Het is the Swedish way to say hot. For example, if you describe a Swedish actor, Alexander Skarsgård är het. Number 5, söt. Söt means both cute or sweet, and this is the one you should use if you describe a baby. Bebisen är söt, the baby is cute. And söt can also be both for how you look, cute, but also behavior. Oh, that's so sweet of you. So it depends a little bit on the situation. Number 6, gullig. Gullig also means cute or sweet, but this is the one we use more if you're talking about the behavior. So again, if I bring you a cinnamon bun or something sweet or something I like, then I can say, oh, you're so gullig. Oh, you're so cute or you're so sweet. Number 7, stilig. Stilig means elegant. You can actually also say elegant because it means the same thing. Stilig, elegant. Maybe this is a word you will use if someone dressed up for a special occasion and then you say, oh, you look so elegant. Oh, du är så stilig. Stilig. Number 8, skön. Skön, I think it used to mean beautiful back in the old days. It still does, but nowadays we kind of associate it more with cool. So if someone tells you, du är skön, then it can mean more like, oh, you're so cool or you're so nice to be with or hang out with. Maybe it can also be like, oh, you're a fun person. Skön. Number 9, tjusig. Tjusig is also a little bit like elegant, but maybe more like stunning or classy. So again, if someone puts maybe a prom dress, you would say, oh, you look so tjusig. Tjusig. Number 10, attraktiv. But be careful because this is written with a K, because in Swedish we love K. So similar to English, but with a K. Du är attraktiv, you're attractive. If you like this video, put a like on it or subscribe to our channel because we're also going to upload more videos about the Swedish language. Okay, I'm going to go through all of these sentences again. I put them in a phrase so you can know what I mean and also so you can use them on your Tinder date or if you just want to know what a Swede is telling you. Vacker, du är vacker, you're beautiful. Fin, du är fin, you're pretty. Snygg, du är snygg, you're handsome or good looking. Söt, du är söt, you're cute or you're sweet. Het, du är het, you're hot. Gullig, du är gullig, you're cute, you're sweet. But more about action. Stilig, du är stilig, you're elegant. Skön, du är skön, you're cool, you are nice to be with. Tjusig, du är tjusig, you're stunning, you're classy. Attraktiv, du är attraktiv, you're attractive. And with a K.